Hey friends, welcome back to episode 3 of our Loft 2 Luxe DIY home theater series. We've been turning our loft into a cozy movie night escape, and today it's time for the final touches. We've got the decor, the full theater system is installed, and the vibe chef's kiss. From the new sofa to the speakers, the projector, everything now feels just right. So get comfy because this one's all about cozy styling, intentional details, and that effortless movie night feel. Let's finish up this room. So I've been wanting to do something really special for my husband, especially with Father's Day coming up. He's been the rock behind so much that we've built together, and when he mentioned wanting a home theater, I knew I had to go all in. He wanted something sleek, modern, no wires all over the place, and absolutely no bulky tech messing up the room's vibe. He deserved the best, and that's exactly what this setup is. AWOL Vision actually sponsored today's video and sent us their full all-in-one home theater system. And when I say this was a dream come true, I mean it. Everything about this system fits perfectly with the clean, curated look we were going for. The screen is one of my favorite features. It's a floor rising ALR screen, so when it's not in use, it literally disappears. No big screen tucked to the wall, no blackout panels, just a seamless, minimal vibe until it's movie time. It rises on its own with the remote and gives us this massive, immersive 120-inch cinematic experience. It's luxury without the visual clutter. Then there's the projector 4K ultra short throw model, which means we don't have to mount anything or worry about ceiling space. It sits right at the base and throws this crisp, vibrant picture across the whole screen, even in daylight. AWOL also sent us their surround sound Thunderbeat system, and y'all, the bass on this, you feel it, but it's wireless, so we didn't have to compromise the room layout or hide cables everywhere. It's all tucked neatly away, still giving that designer finish. And yes, we even got the 3D glasses for the full theater experience, plus a custom AV station to hold the system in style. So not only does my husband get the tech he's been wanting, I get to design around the setup that feels elevated, clean, and totally in sync with our decor and the vibe that we're going for. When it came to styling the accent wall, I knew I wanted something powerful, something that felt like us. These aren't just art pieces, these are reminders of who we are, where we come from, and what we're building.
To the left, right. That's crooked. Right.
No,
Yeah.
no,
You're both sitting down.
We chose these two cultural portraits because they carry weight. They carry beauty. They carry a story. From the crown to the stair, this wall speaks strength, resilience, royalty, and pride. It honors Black identity in its fullness, and it sets the tone for the entire room. This isn't just our movie room, this is our space to unplug, connect, and just be together as husband and wife, as parents, as a Black family. Honestly, in a world that moves so fast, it feels good to intentionally carve out a corner of our home that's rooted in love, culture, and peace. This moment of hanging these frames side by side in unity felt symbolic because beyond the paint and panels, this whole room is a reflection of what we've built together. A love that's strong, grounded, and still growing. Everything I use here will be linked, and don't worry, in the final video of the series, I'll be breaking down all the details, prices, and what I really think about each piece. But for now, just soak in this vibe with us and let's continue.
Don't touch it.
Perfect.
It looks in the middle. 10 minutes ago.
Hi, Daddy.
Make come another ladder, tell me.
Mommy, mommy, phone.
I have a 31.5.
Yeah.
No, that's 72. 70.
Hi.
30 and 30.
Ah,
35.
35.
Hi.
35.
Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Hi.
Picture frame of 31. No, it's the 31.
Now over to this wall, we added these two frame prints, and at first glance they're just classic architectural sketches, but they actually hold a lot of meaning. Arches like these have stood for centuries, and to me they symbolize strength, legacy, and foundation, all the things we're building in this home and in our marriage. That's why I wanted this moment to be lit. Literally, we added picture lights above each frame, and I can't stress this enough. If you've never added picture lighting in your home, it changes everything. It elevates even the simplest art and gives your space that cozy gallery feel.
Since I've gotten older, I've realized we all care about things that don't really matter. So now we're all trying to keep our heads above the water. But what if we don't wanna? What if we don't wanna? If there's something you wanna do, just do it. Don't let your head stop your heart from moving.
I have to talk about this canvas right here. Canvas aren't really a big thing right now, but I love meaningful ones. And this one isn't just a cityscape. It's a reminder of where it all began. New York was our very first home after migrating to America. It's where we started from scratch, where our first child was born, and where the foundation of our family was laid. For us, this isn't just art, it's a legacy. It symbolizes resilience, new beginnings, and the journey that shaped who we are today. It's a quiet but powerful reminder to never forget where we're coming from, because those early chapters are what make the story so beautiful.
Who knows who we'd be if we just live more and love more? We all just need to live more and love more.
All right, let's switch gears a little and bring in something fun, seating. We're adding this leather tufted chaise lounge that I've actually had for a few years. I was this close to selling it, but look at it now. It's giving luxury, it's giving movie night elegance, and it fits this space like it was made for it. After all that mushy stuff, and yes, I did get teary-eyed. I just needed y'all to see this side too. Even when it seems random, nothing in this room is by accident. I'm super intentional about the pieces I bring in, especially when it's a space my family will enjoy. This isn't just decor, it's love, but love with a layout. This IKEA system will be our little shelf or little storage that holds everything we want for a movie room, but it wouldn't be Tiana's home if I didn't add some decor to it. So I'm going in with some faux books, a little candle, just to bring in the warmth of the space. Eventually, I want to get a vintage bike because my husband is obsessed with bikes. So I want to get a vintage bike. So if you have the link to one, please let me know. I'm now going in with this wooden lamp just to bring in additional warmth to the space. And as you can see, the wood tones are tying in perfectly. And then some gold accents. I am also using our 3D glasses as decor just to give that vibe of, yes, movie room, but an elevated, elegant movie room. Let me know what you think about the shelf styling here. I wanted to keep it very simple. I am using this woven basket to ground additional items, and you've seen this basket in my last haul. Absolutely love it. It's very huge and it can hold a lot of stuff. So I am going to use it to ground our remotes and also our coasters as well. Comments below, let me know what I should add to this space. I think it's perfectly fine. As I said, I am going to switch it up here or there because that's just how I do things. And I am on the hunt for a vintage bike to add as a decor piece. This black stool with gold legs are a floater piece in my house. It's everywhere, but it ties in perfectly with the aesthetic, and I'm just gonna leave it there. Now I have this cocktail table that I am adding to the room. It is black with gold accents, so perfect. And the price, oh my god, so cheap. But I don't want to release all of that yet because I want you guys to come back to the next video where I am giving you everything that I've bought and the prices and what I think about the quality. So we're gonna hold this for the next video, but comment below and let me know if you are feeling this table. I love it. I switched it up a bit. Instead of using it as a cocktail table, it's gonna be a little decor stand. So I'm going in with this rattan vase, and I am adding in some greenery because my husband said he wanted some greenery in the space. So what perfect way to add in these beautiful olive branches. I am also on the hunt for the perfect olive tree that I will be putting in the opposite section of the accent wall. Now this will be our cocktail table, and when I tell you the fluted design, it is perfect. The color, it's so warm, it ties everything together, and it is the perfect addition to this space. Come back for the next video because I'll tell you guys where I got it, and it was very cheap as well. Actually in one of our local stores that you can literally drive there and grab it. We had this extra chair downstairs that was just sitting in a corner, and I decided to bring it in. It's leather. It's very brown, dark brown I should say, but it has silver accents going on, and I'm not too particular with it, but for now it's doing the job and we want it in the space, so we're gonna leave it there for now. This space really exceeded my expectations. I had the vision, my husband executed, but it came out even more beautiful than what I thought, how I thought it would come out. So I am just loving how all of this turned out. And I get emotional when, you know, I put something on paper and I see it come to life. Because if you know me, you know that I'm so passionate about whatever I put my hands on. I just don't do things. And to see my husband just love this space so much, he can't wait to get home from work just to sit here and just look. Sometimes he's not even watching a movie, he's just looking. And that is what really and truly warms my heart. So of course we're gonna give you a little movie night experience with us so you guys can get the real feel of what I'm talking about. Take a look at the system. Everything is in place. It's so seamlessly integrated. I don't know if those are the correct words, But when I tell you no cords, nothing out of place, you have to be looking to even see that there's a system there. And I am anal when it comes on to these things, so I love it. I love it. Thank you again to AWOL for sending this over, because it's really 100% awesome. I'm speechless, as y'all can see. Speechless.
Netflix.
Meet a young lady and you want to talk to her, she even hesitates.
I was like, why am I being punished for not knowing you? Basketball, because last time I checked, you
Hey, it's nice, you know, man.
When you walk into my home and you walk into this room, you are feeling a vibe, elevated, minimalistic, curated, and intentional. We are gonna add some blackout products to this space so we can enjoy this theater like a real love scene with the kids too. So we're gonna add all of that, so come back for the next video where I'll tell you guys where everything is from. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.